picture of a cat who was sitting there thinking he is in peace, living with the way of nature. So here's a story. Just a while ago I was talking with the lady who wanted to become a dentist, and I was showing a photo. If I can show this to you, it's my tooth, and with the crown, and behind the crown is the tooth chipped off, and have to deal with it. And she looked at this and said, okay, this is so and so, and the best thing is surgery. And further on, she talked about her becoming a dentist. Her uncle was a dentist, maybe have some influence. And she wanted to become one, so she and I talked, and she's staying at this backpackers in leaving today. She said she wants to go to New Zealand because she wants to do this hiking, but that's another story. She said, looking at my teeth, surgery may be a good option, and taking the wisdom tooth is a good one, to simplify. And then when we are finishing up, she said about what's going on in her field of dentistry. I thought the technology is advancing so that we won't have much problem. I heard the Japanese dentist was not so good. But anyway, our discussion goes like, no, we need it. We need a dentistry because she knows a case, for example, this person at age 20 is losing all of his tooth or teeth. Why? Not taking care of the teeth. Not necessarily brushing, but something in between the teeth, the food get left, and because of the gum get infected, whatever. So the end result is that he has to take all the tooth or the teeth. Unbelievable. So she is going in that field. My engineering mind said, well, that shouldn't be the opposite because we are advancing the technology. But here's another twist that I thought about. More people eat food, lots of sugar, and not taking care of the teeth, would end up in bacteria growing to the point that at age 20, lose all the teeth. I thought more about it. So advanced technology, cheaper food, more sugar, take it easy, have fun, don't take care of yourself. That's what happened. Then my engineering mind, also the business mind, kicked in. Here's a case. I have my video talking about nature's way. I shared the picture of a cat. Maybe I haven't, but that's my plan. Living with the way of nature. And the cat doesn't lose teeth. Cat does not add any scent. Maybe it does, but roughly speaking, animals don't add value for the gross national product, GNP, or economic activity for the nation or the world. And then I thought, okay, that makes sense. In my YouTube, I produce videos which is relating to the nature's way, just like a cat's way. Be happy with what you get. living with the way of nature. But the end result of those is like a cat. I'm not doing anything to add value for GNP, economic activity, if people start to take care of themselves like a cat. So the point is that I noticed my channel is not growing anymore. And a few weeks ago, 3-4 weeks ago, I noticed that they're checking my YouTube before approval. And 3 videos, I had to wait for like, 4 hours or 6 hours. They approved it. And I've noticed the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I used to have a growth of the subscribers, but it's stable. Sometimes adding 10, sometimes minus 11, adding 8, minus 1, plus 1. So it's very stable. So my business mindset, okay, I'm not helping for the society because I'm like, probably one way to understand is to find a way of nature like a cat does, be happy with it. No need to go to dentist because it's not eating sugar. And I'm saying the same thing. And if I produce the video about this 20-year-old, not 20-year-old losing teeth, the whole teeth. And if people don't lose teeth, her job as dentist is gone, the technology cannot be used, and economic activity therefore decline if people are just having a perfect teeth, because they take care of not just brushing but getting rid of the potential for virus or related to that, the sugary food. We want more sugar to create more business, to cause suffering, losing teeth. It's good because that adds value. I kind of suspected maybe that's the reason why I don't attract any subscribers anymore, because there's no related economic activity. So no sponsors for my video. And in the past, I never asked anyone to join to my channel. But now I'm kind of switching a little bit. If it makes sense to you, please subscribe my channel. It may not dent to GNP, and it may have nothing to do with the whole world connecting to the heart. You just feel happy and learn how to live well, just like a cat. We want more economic activity, GNP growth, to hire people, more technology. So all unrelated activities may be dislodged from the YouTube channel because it doesn't add value, economic value to it. Yeah? Maybe that's the way it is. But the ironic part of this is that if we get into that direction, you need more connecting to the heart. Be wise, compassionate, even if that may not add economic value to the society. Just a thought. I don't want to dwell on it. I'll let go of it. May all beings be happy. But I'll take care of my tooth. or maybe pull off those two because it's simplified to get rid of it. And it's cheaper, and I don't have to worry more about it. Thank you.